In this video, I'll show you how to make copies using your HP DeskJet 2910 printer. In order to make copies, the first thing you need to do is make sure that you have some paper loaded in the printer. Then you're going to take the thing you want to copy, open up the printer's scanning lid, then place the page face down on the glass like this. Once it's face down, align it with this marking in the bottom right. Once it's aligned, close the lid. So if you come over to the printer's control panel, you'll see we'll have a few buttons, and these bottom two will be your copy buttons. So you have the color copy one, and then you have the black one. So let's say I want 2 black copies. I'll press this button twice, and then you'll see the number 2 appear on the menu above. So 1, 2. So now we have 2 black copies. If you wanted more, then you would simply press the button with how many copies that you wanted. And you can also use the color one. So now we're just going to wait on the first copy coming out. Here's our first one complete. And now here is the second one. So if I take the original out of the scanner, we now have our 3 copies. So if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe.